Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Gobi Safed Korma. It's a delicious creamy cauliflower curry inspired by Mughlai cuisine of North India. It is made with fried cauliflower florets simmered in rich gravy of onion, cashew, yogurt and aromatic spices. It is a perfect dish to serve with roti, paratha, naan or rice. Let's get started. For preparing our gobi, take cauliflower and cut them into medium-sized florets. Using some salt-infused water, blanch it for 2 minutes to remove any bugs. Additionally, this will reduce the cauliflower's oil absorption and remove its pungent smell while cooking. Next, to prepare the onions, peel and cut them into halves. Boil them in small amount of water until the onions turn translucent. By doing this, you will ensure that the gravy does not turn brown while frying. With the boiled onions, add green chilies as per your heat tolerance and make them into a thick paste. For the korma gravy base, take some poppy seeds, white sesame seeds, mullein seeds, cashews, and yogurt. Add hot water to this to soak for 5 minutes and then make it into a thick paste. Heat some refined oil in a kadhai or a heavy bottomed vessel. Fry the blanched cauliflower florets on medium heat until they are golden and crisp. Drain any excess oil and keep them aside. In the same oil, add a bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, cloves, green cardamoms, and a few black peppercorns. Fry them for a few seconds until the spices become fragrant. Then add the boiled onion and chili paste and fry on medium flame for 2 minutes. Fry the mixture while constantly stirring until it starts to release the oil. Next, add garlic paste and ginger paste and fry for a minute until the raw smell disappears. For the dry spices, just add cumin powder and mix well until fragrant. Add the cashew poppy seed paste into the vessel. This will give the gravy the richness and creamy texture. Stir the mixture constantly on low-medium flame to prevent the cashews in the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the vessel. Once the oil starts to separate from the mixture, it's completely cooked. Add the fried cauliflower florets, coat them gently with the gravy and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Add some water with the leftover paste to adjust the consistency of the gravy and bring it to a boil. Stir to check that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the vessel. Add salt as per your preference. On low flame, cover and cook for 5 minutes until the cauliflowers are soft and juicy. Switch off the flame and then add chopped coriander leaves, crush in some kasuri methi, a little sprinkle of garam masala, and a dollop of ghee. Give it a final stir and cover the vessel for 5 minutes and let the residual heat of the gravy enhance the flavor and aroma. Your Gobi Safed Korma is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite type of roti or rice. We hope you liked this recipe and found it easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!